Right, weed shirt? Look at this fucking, what is this? You got the sunglasses on. I feel like this guy wears those sunglasses when he plays poker online. And you know his buddy's like, they can't fucking see you through the computer. And then this guy's like, you don't know shit about the CIA. Trust me, they can see us through the fucking computer. Oh, exactly. All in. They'll never know if I'm bluffing. I'm wearing my fucking sunglasses. Don't worry, these are my nighttime sunglasses. They're specifically for the hours of 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. I have totally different sunglasses for during the day. You couldn't look shadier. I feel like you have a van filled with stolen children. That's what I feel like. He's got a van with no handles on the inside. You know what I mean? Like, once you're in, you're like, how do I? You'll never be able to recognize me in the lineup. I'm wearing my daytime sunglasses.